Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here. Welcome back to my channel and for my video. Our video for today is about Internet Safer Day. Nalaman ko February 10, it's the celebration awareness about Internet Safer Day. By the way, we are here sa Google Philippines HQ and BGC, and I learned a lot of things na about internet safer, how to protect yourself, how to be aware, and how to use some of the Google tools to analyze if those messages are fake or legit. So kanina, pinakita dito in collaboration with the Cybercrime Investigation Coordination Center, they're collaborating in giving awareness sa lahat na kailangan nating mag-ingat ngayon sa internet dahil ang mga scams are gumagamit na ng AI. Yes, AI, dahil ang AI can manipulate tayong lahat, Nagpapanggap sila na totoong tao, ginagamit ito sa mga lab scam, at ginagamit nila ito a way para manghut-hut ng pera, So, ang masama dito, dahil sa emotions natin, madali tayong madala kasi we are human, at dahil sa mga messages na to, mga sweet talks, for example, sa mga lab scam, or something na merong binibenta online, nabibiktima kagad tayo ng mga scams na ito. Even yung mga taga-Google daw nagtatrabaho dito na akala natin is they are very safe and secured in everything, still nasa scam din sila because they are human. Nangyayari maraming nasa scam sa mga online store, also sa mga mga messages na kala mo is from the bank apps, So kailangan natin mag-ingat. So natutunan ko kanina, pinakita one of the tools sa Google, for example, is yung Google Circle to Search at yung Google Lens. Pwede mo pala itong gamitin to scan yung mga SMS messages and also emails containing links, So gawin mo, gamit sa mobile phone ninyo, Circle to Search yung messages at i-scan nyo siya through Google Circle to Search or Google Lens. Malalaman mo kaagad na if it's a legit messages or link, and kung malalaman ba kung fake ba ito. So karamihan nito is fake kasi delikado rin kasi minsan yung mga scams are infiltrating yung mga legit network channel sa SMS ng mga bank apps natin, mga banking natin, maraming issues na ganyan. Hindi lang magbabanggit ko ng mga bangko. So, pag gumamit ka ng Google Lens and si Google Circle to Search sa inyong smartphones, pag naka-Android kayo, mangyayari is malalaman mo na kung legit or scam siya. Pero na-mention, if you're using an iPhone or other device, you can download the Google tools para at least dagdag protections para sa inyong internet lifestyle. And also nalaman ko, Google Gemini, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin to scan messages. Kasi yun ang ginagawa ko palagi, Pag may mga messages akong, kasi almost every day, may nakukuha akong mga fake emails, mga fake, proposal na makikipag-collaborate daw sa akin. Bibigyan nila ako ng $100,000 to do a collab. So ginagawa ko, since yun, alam ko na, aware na ako na scam yun, may mga iba pang emails or messages na kala mo talaga totoo. So ginagawa ko, gumagamit ako ng Google Gemini, ini-screenshot ko or kinakopy ko yung messages, pinapaste ko sa Google Gemini, at doon ko nalalaman na scam nga yung mga messages. Very advocate ako ng mga ganitong online protection, kasi nagpo-post din ako sa mga Facebook if I'm encountering a lot of mga peking brand deals, for example. To give awareness na mag-ingat tayo sa internet. Also marami pa pinakita, may mga features pa for kids protection, sa mga family link account sa mga devices sa mga children to limit their use of YouTube, for example, and also use their smartphones para bibigyan sila ng limit para at least ma-monitor mo yung activity ng mga bata. And mas maganda kasi meron tayong awareness about it dahil, internet ngayon masyadong high-tech na. Kahit very smart tayo, very aware tayo about it, naluloko pa rin din tayo. So kailangan natin mag-ingat. Kaya merong Internet Safer Day today, February 10, pero hindi lang tayo dapat mag-celebrate ngayon ng awareness. Kailangan bukas, the next day, the next month, the next week, entire year, every day. So kailangan Internet Safer Day tayo kasi lahat ng activities natin ay nasa internet na. Parang kanina, Nasaan si FPJ? May magandang sinabi si FPJ kanina, paste ko na lang dito during my interview with him kasi this is a reshoot video. So panoorin itong sinabi ni FPJ, napakaganda.
Ayun, lagi maging mabusisi sa lahat na matatanggap nyo. Kahit sa tingin nyo legit yan, magduda kayo lagi dahil nakakatulong yun at malalaman mo pala scam pala yun.
Kung sa totoong tao, nagdududa tayo, sa internet, kailangan natin magduda talaga. Magandang advice ni FPJ. So, ayun. So, sa kanilang follow.
Ayun, follow nyo lang ako at FPJJ sa social media.
And siguro maglagay ako ng mga slideshows, no? Yung mga presentation kanina at lagyan ko na ng caption to learn more about the Internet Safer Day and also how to protect yourself online. So, panoorin itong mga slideshow ko.
Earlier this month, the CICC launched our AI Feb-ibig, inspired by the song Ay Pag-ibig. Why? Because in the first month of 2026 alone, we're already seeing a surge in AI-driven love scams. So, nag-evolve na ang love scams ngayon. Hindi na yung papangako lang ang langit at lupa sa inyo. Ano na siya? Meron na rin siyang deepfake at saka talagang sinusocially profile tayo. Tools to detect AI-generated deepfakes, fraudulent platforms before they reach your feeds. We are also expanding our scam-safe initiatives. We want to make the Philippines the most hostile environment for cybercriminals in Asia. Help us, really help us, spread the word. Remind your followers that if something feels too good to be true, it probably isn't. And if they encounter a scam, dial hotline 1326. Let us keep our internet not just fast but safe. Sa internet, dapat lagi tayong maingat.
So again, on Safer Internet Day, we celebrate the internet's potential, but also acknowledge our duty to protect it. No? Lahat po tayo merong role, lahat tayo may ambag, no, to make a difference. In the Philippines, the data tells a fascinating story. We are hungry for knowledge. Kaya ang ganda sinabi ni Yuse kanina na hindi na tayo victim we're victors because we're navigating the internet proactively and with more intent. No? First, we deeply invest in local programs and partnerships, focusing on initiatives like digital literacy, diba? Fighting misinformation, important yan. And to lure you in, diba? Tama naman. To fight back, we've supercharged Circle to Search and Google Lens. So when you see a suspicious link, just long press your home button and circle the text. Let's watch this to show you how it actually works. When you receive a message, encircle it, and then you will see an AI overview. Then it will tell you that the message is likely a scam. Okay?
Nice.
Ako Android, wala akong pixel, nasa kalaban ako iOS. Okay lang yun. Because you can download the Google app, you can use the Lens feature of it, screenshot the message, upload it there, and it will provide you the same launch. No? And I hope you were there when we launched this feature. The reason why I'm including this slide is that I wanted to let you know that the momentum is still there. It continues to safeguard millions of Filipinos from high-risk install attempts. So Android theft protection feature, it's now smarter and stronger. Phone theft is it's not just about the hardware. Pag nawawala yung phone natin, grabe tayo mag-panic because it's not the phone itself. Yung information, yung photos, yung bank, diba? Bank accounts and banking apps that we have there. So sobrang importante to protect our devices. That's why we introduced Android theft protection. We use AI so that your phone can actually sense if an attempt or if a stealing is already happening by your side or if someone behind you is trying to get your phone. So in the age of AI, seeing is no longer believing. We have to be extra critical of technology at home. But we've introduced some updates this year. First, we've redesigned it to be more intuitive. Mas madali na siyang gamitin. No? It's easier than ever to set screen time now so that you can control or you can guide your kids' usage with technology even on their Galaxy Watches. Create or can find content from partners like Khan Academy and TED. Okay? And again, these tools are not just about restrictions. It's about intention, helping you have that understanding with your kids or within the family, how to have a healthy relationship with technology. We want to talk about Safer Internet Day without talking about Gen AI. At Google, we believe that Gen AI can solve real-world classroom challenges from some of our products like Google Kidspace, the Read Along on Google Workspace. We're actually helping teachers track reading comprehension effortlessly. Use case of Gemini for kids and family. How can parents use Gemini safely at home so that they can have a healthy relationship with technology? Again, I mentioned earlier, di ba, the importance of having an open communication between parents and kids.
And that's it guys for our event here with Google Philippines. At maraming salamat din kay Cybercrime Investigation Coordination Center for sharing some information. Lalo na yung sinabi nilang yung emotions natin na nagpapadala palagi. Kaya tayo na madali tayong may scam kahit nag-iingat tayo mabuti. No? So maraming salamat. So kailangan natin mag-ingat at be aware. Parang sabi nga ni FPJ, kailangan natin palaging magduda dahil kahit nga sa personal transaction, for example, nagdududa na tayo. Sa online, kailangan natin magduda palagi to check if it's legit or a scam. So ayun, this is Azrael. Thank you so much guys for watching. Kita-kita tayo sa next Google event at I'm very excited to share more information about internet safety. So okay, thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Kita kits and see you at the next video.